Understanding a hard sell in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, a hard sell. This is a common expression in English, but it can be confusing for learners. Stick with us to understand what it means and how to use it correctly in a conversation. The phrase, a hard sell, refers to a situation or a product that is difficult to convince someone to buy or accept. It's often used in sales and marketing, but you can encounter it in everyday conversations too. The word, hard, here signifies difficulty, and sell represents the act of convincing or persuading someone. To make this clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. In a business context, our new line of eco-friendly products is a hard sell in a market that prioritizes low cost over sustainability. 2. In personal situations, trying to convince my parents to let me study abroad was a hard sell. In these examples, a hard sell shows the challenge involved in convincing someone to accept an idea, product, or proposal. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for a hard sell include a tough nut to crack, an uphill battle, a difficult task. These phrases can be used interchangeably in many contexts, although they might have slight nuances in meaning. So, there you have it, a quick guide to understanding a hard sell in English. Remember, it's all about the difficulty in persuading someone. We hope this video has made this phrase easier for you to understand and use. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video for more exciting English lessons.